Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Eric with Morris 4x4 Center again, coming back at you with yet another review. Now, as you can see, we've got Glenn's Jeep here again, and it has evolved as all of our Jeeps do. He's always putting parts on it, always modifying it. Now, today we want to talk about this Bestop bumper that we have here on this Jeep. Now, a lot of you know that Bestop is world-renowned for their soft top for Jeeps. Well, they also have other lines as well, like their Highrock bumper line, as well as seats, you name it. They practically make anything for a Jeep. Now, today we've got their narrow width Highrock 4x4 bumper. Now, as you can see, this is a very high clearance bumper. It's very minimal, very basic, great for wheeling. If you're a hardcore wheeler out there, this is something you definitely want to be looking at. Now, this bumper is really heavy duty. It's manufactured from 3/16 stamped steel. So it's a very solid design. There's minimal pieces welded to it, so it's going to be really strong. Now, another thing that I want to talk about, as you can see, this bumper is very narrow. The ends are tapered to offer you the maximum amount of tire clearance, as well as provide you with the best approach angle possible. I mean, as you can see right here, there is just a ton of room so you can get that tire crawling up over obstacles. This bumper is a great choice. Now, of course, you can see here it has a bull bar on it. This is an optional accessory. You don't have to put this on there. Now, the bull bars come in 3 finishes. You're going to get chrome. What Glenn has here is the satin black finish, and then of course it comes in a matte wrinkled finish as well. As the bumpers, they come in that satin black as well as that textured matte black finish as well. Now, if you guys want to come in here and take a closer look, there's some key features that I want to show you about this bumper that really stand out, that make this an amazing bumper. All right, so now that we're nice up close and personal with this bumper, I want to talk to you about some of the key features that make this bumper really great for wheeling. It's a great choice. First, you can see here it's got the D-ring tabs. Now, these D-ring tabs go all the way through the bumper, and they're actually incorporated into the mounting plates that bolt this bumper up to the frame horn. Oh, and did I mention that this bumper is a bolt-on bumper? No modification required. Take your old bumper off and this one goes right on. No fuss, no muss. So that's awesome as well. But yeah, these D-ring tabs are super solid. They're mounted integrally to the bumper, so you're gonna be able to recover your Jeep or pull anybody out with no problems whatsoever. Now, coming up here, I wanna talk to you about the incorporated winch plate. So the bumper on top here is drilled in your standard winch bolt pattern, 10 by 4.5. So it pretty much accepts almost every single winch out on the market. So that's great. You have tons of versatility. And of course, the Fairlead mounting plate here is bolt incorporated right into the bumper, so there's no separate brackets that you have to purchase. So that's great as well. Accepts a roller Fairlead or your traditional, well, not traditional, but your aluminum Haas Fairlead if your winch comes with synthetic rope. And then rounding up the features here, you can see it's got the cutouts for the factory original fog lamps, so you can transfer those over to this bumper. Or if you have like JW speaker fog lamps like what Glenn has here, or any other fog lamps that'll bolt to the factory bumper, this bumper will accommodate those as well. So that's great. It's nice to have those factory features right at your fingertips, and you don't have to lose any of that with this particular bumper. All right, so now that we're on the topic of the lights, I also forgot to mention earlier that the bull bar here has 2 light mounting tabs on the top, so you can mount any off-road light of your choice. We personally recommend Baja Designs. They are the best in the business, but any light bar that spans that width, you can also mount on there as well. It's up to you to be creative, and the sky's the limit. Now, one of the key features about this bumper, again, with the incorporated winch mounting system, now, this bumper is actually drilled with offset winch holes, so you actually have 2 mounting options depending on the size of your winch. I know some of you guys that run like that big power plant winch, you might have to actually offset it in the bumper to get it to line up perfectly. It might sit closer to one side than the other. So this bumper will accommodate that. So again, any size winch, this will definitely fit. This bumper, we've tested some winches and it'll fit up to like a big 15,000 pound winch, which you're never gonna need for a Jeep. But hey, it's nice to know that that option is available to you. All right, so that wraps up all the features about the Bestop Highrock narrow width bumper. Definitely check this bumper out if you need that extra clearance and a real rugged design, a sturdy bumper. This bumper might be the choice for you. Now, of course, you could see this bumper and all of Bestop's other products on our website, www.morris4x4center.com. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can definitely give us a call at 1-877-553-5337. If you're not able to call, just drop us a line at sales@morris4x4center.com. Our Jeep experts are standing by waiting to answer any questions you have. We can walk you through the process and also complete the sale for you as well. So guys, don't forget, hit that little subscribe button right over there. Follow us on YouTube as well as social media. We post content daily. You don't want to miss out on that. So I want to thank you for watching this video. My name is Eric and I'm with Morris 4x4 Center. I hope to see you guys out on the trail.